Hello students, today we are going to discuss some tricks and hints of our chapter, that is halogen derivative, for competitive exam, that is CET, NEET and JEE. Then what are halogen derivatives? We know that there are these parent family of organic compounds are hydrocarbons, which are mainly of two types. Hydrocarbons which are mainly two types. First one, aliphatic hydrocarbons. And second one, aromatic hydrocarbons. Then halogen derivatives are the compound of halogens which are derived by aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. For example, aliphatic hydrocarbons means that is RH. Aliphatic hydrocarbons RH and aromatic hydrocarbons are ARH. Aromatic hydrocarbons means ARH. Then if react with halogen, this aliphatic hydrocarbons, if react with halogen molecule, that is X2, then it gives RH plus HX. And by aromatic hydrocarbons, again if react with halogen molecule, then it gives aromatic halogen, that is ARH plus HX. These are called as halogen derivative of aliphatic compound, and these are called as halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbons. These are called as aromatic hydrocarbons, halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbons. Then for example, suppose CH3, CH4 plus Cl2. CH4, that is aliphatic hydrocarbons. If react with chlorine molecule, then one of these hydrogen atom get replaced by one of these chlorine atom and it gives CH3Cl. Again, another molecule of this chlorine react with this CH3Cl and it gives again one of these hydrogen atom is replaced by one second chlorine atom of this molecule and it gives CH2Cl2. Again, third molecule of chlorine, if react with this CH2Cl2, it forms CHCl3. And again, fourth molecule of this chlorine gives CCl4. Then all these molecules, that is CH3Cl, methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, then chloroform and carbon tetrachloride. All these molecules, all these four molecules are called as halogen derivatives. All these called as halogen derivatives of these aliphatic hydrocarbons. Again, suppose this aromatic compound, if this react with chlorine molecule, then one of these hydrogen atom of this benzene ring get replaced by chlorine atom and also it forms halogen derivative. In this way, it also replace one by one all these hydrogen atom by this halogen atom and it forms halogen derivative of these aromatic compounds. In this way, these are called as halogen derivative of aliphatic compounds and these are called as aromatic halogen derivative of this aromatic compound. All these hydrogen atom here also replaced by chlorine atom. Then from this, that is definition of this halogen derivative. That is, it is defined as when one or more hydrogen atom of aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms are called as halogen derivative. These are defined as, that is, if one or more hydrogen atoms of aliphatic hydrocarbons or aromatic hydrocarbons are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms. These are called as halogen derivatives. This is about definition of this halogen derivative. The next classification of halogen derivatives. These are halogen derivatives. These are mainly classified in two ways. That is, first one, on the basis of hydrocarbons. First, these are classified on the basis of hydrocarbons. On the basis of hydrocarbons. And second one, these are classified as on the basis of number of halogen atoms. On the basis of number of halogen atom. On the basis of hydrocarbons, and second one on the basis of number of halogen atom. Then these are classified as first one, that is haloalkanes. First one, haloalkanes. Then second one, haloalkenes. Third one, haloalkynes. And fourth one, haloarenes. These are on the basis of hydrocarbons. These are mainly classified as haloalkanes. That is, here alkanes. These are hydrocarbons. Mainly hydrocarbons are four types. That is alkanes, then alkenes, alkynes, and arenes. Then halogen derivative also classified as haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, and haloarenes. Then suppose what is haloalkanes? Suppose CH3. Name of this compound is methane. This is derivative of alkane. If one of these hydrogen atom of this methane is replaced by halogen atom, then it remains two hydrogen atom. One of the hydrogen atom of this methane, means alkane, replaced by one halogen atom, hence it is called as haloalkanes. Then second one, haloalkenes. Haloalkenes means suppose CH2 double bond CH2. It is derivative of alkene. That is, it having carbon-carbon double bond. Name of this compound is ethene or ethylene. Again, one of these hydrogen atom of this hydrogen alkene is replaced by again halogen atom. This is called as haloalkenes. Then third one, that is CH triple bond CH. This is derivative of alkynes. Alkynes means here carbon-carbon triple bond. Again, this hydrogen atom, if get replaced by halogen atom, these are called as halogen derivative of alkynes, that is haloalkynes. And fourth one, that is haloarenes. That means this aromatic compound, suppose this benzene, one of these hydrogen atom of this benzene is replaced by halogen atom, then it is becomes haloarenes or halogen derivative of arenes, hence it is called as haloarenes. In this way, these are classified on the basis of, that is hydrocarbon skeleton. These are classified on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton. Then second one, that is number of halogen atoms. Number of halogen atoms present in compound, that is halogen derivatives. These are classified as first one, that is monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative. Then second one, dihalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivatives. Then third one, trihalogen derivatives. And fourth one, that is polyhalogen derivatives. Polyhalogen derivatives. Then what is monohalogen derivative? Suppose this compound again, CH3, CH2, Cl. This compound contains only one halogen atom. It contains only one halogen atom, hence it is called as monohalogen derivative. Then again this aromatic compound. This also contains only one halogen atom. Both these two are called as monohalogen derivative. This first one, this is aliphatic hydrocarbons, aliphatic halogen derivative, and this is aromatic halogen derivative. Then second one, that is suppose CH2, here Cl and here Cl. This compound contains these two halogen atoms, two hydrogen atom from this adjacent carbon atom replaced by two halogen atom, hence these are called as dihalogen derivative. Again in aromatic compound also it contains two halogen atom, that means two hydrogen atom of this benzene ring are replaced by two halogen atoms, it is also called as dihalogen derivative. Then third one, that is trihalogen derivative. Suppose this CHCl, here CHCl, here second carbon atom CH2Cl, here also CH2Cl. This compound contains these three chlorine atom, that means three halogen atoms, where chlorine, bromine or iodine, any halogen atom. This is example of this chlorine atom. This is called as trihalogen derivative because in this compound there are three chlorine atoms adjacent to different carbon atoms. This may be attached on same carbon atom, same or different carbon atom. Hence it is called as trihalogen derivative. Also in aromatic compound, suppose here Br, here bromine, here also bromine. This compound contains three halogen atoms, hence it is called as trihalogen derivatives. Then polyhalogen derivative means compound containing more than three halogen atom. Compound containing more than three halogen atoms are called as more than three halogen atom. X atoms means three halogen atoms are called as a polyhalogen derivative. One of this example of aliphatic compound is here sorbitol. That is name of this compound. These are classified as monohalogen, dihalogen, trihalogen and polyhalogen compounds. Then second, that is second classification, that is on the basis of classification of monohalogen derivative.